Hello there, Merry Christmas in advance again, and here is the lovely flea dress I'm going to be making, and here is the material fabric I'm going to be using. As you can see, the stripe is just the same as the picture, so here is it, and this is 4 yards in length, so I'll be cutting it now. So just follow me as I take you through this lovely tutorial. So I folded it into 4 now, and here is the whole length of the fabric. So right now I'm going to be outlining the flare part of the dress, which is the down part. So from my shoulder to the short length, so I'll measure the length I'm working with is 56 inches, so I'll be outlining 58 inches for both the joining allowance and the sewing allowance. So now I will outline it, and then after doing this I'll take my measurement, my waist measurement, dividing it into 4, and whatever it gives me I'll outline it. So the waist measurement I'm working with is 39 inches divided by 4. So I'll outline that, I'll chalk that out now. Whatever it gives me, I'll add 1 inches for sewing allowance. So after doing this, I will then take the fabric, I'll shift it up so you can see what I'm doing here. So I'll take it from there. My chalk is not really working well with this fabric, pardon me, because of the fabric I'm using. So I'll then take the length, which is 58 inches, and I'll connect it in a slant curve to the center part of the down part of the dress. So then I'll take my ruler and re-outline it again from the waist to this other end here, as you can see me doing. Pardon, my chalk is not really clear, so I'll take my scissors now and then I'll cut it out. After cutting it out, here is it, and you can see how lovely this looks. So this here is the upper side of the dress, which is the body part. I'll be taking from my shoulder to my shoulder length, which is 8 inches. I'll outline it with my chalk, and then like I said earlier, pardon the fabric I'm using, the chalk is not really showing properly, so I'll take my 3 inches for the neck width of the take my shoulder slope, which is 1 inches. I'll mark it out now, then I'll connect it from that end there to that 1 inches for the shoulder slope I just outlined with my pattern master. So after doing that, I will then take my neck depth from the shoulder line to the back neck depth. I will take 1.5 inches, and then for the front neck depth I'll be taking 4 inches downwards. So then I'll connect it. Before connecting it, I'll take half inches. I'll add half inches to the 3 inches for the neck width I did earlier. So then I'll take my pattern master now and I'll connect it all together. You can as well do this with your free hand, so but I will be using my pattern master for this outlining. So as you see me doing here in this video, so I'll connect it now from the neck width to the neck depth, and then that will be all for that. So from here now I'll take down my armhole, round armhole measurement. So to get your armhole measurement is your bust line divided into 6, then you add 1.5 inches, and then I'll connect it now to any of the measurements I got, and that will be the chest line So please now watch closely. I'll be adding extra half inches to this armhole curve. So for the underarm, I'll add extra half inches to it for ease because of the armless I'm making. So I want it to start at the upper bust line. Here I will be adding extra 1.5 inches to the shoulder slope area. So I'll connect it now from that end to the other side because this is an armless and we don't want it to be too obvious because of the hand of my client I'm making this dress for. So I'll come down here again to that point, which is the chest line, and then I'll take the bust measurement, dividing it into 4, and then I'll outline it, adding with extra 1 inches for sewing allowance. Then I'll take the waistline divided by 4, whatever it gives me. I'll outline it, added with 1 inches, then I'll connect it down from the bust to the waistline, and then so after doing that I'll be outlining the waistline again. So I will add extra inches for the dart intake I will be using for this body. So after outlining the dart intake, I'll notch it out. Then I'll go to my armhole now, and then I'll connect it using my pattern master from the shoulder to my underarm hole using the formula I already outlined. So I'll just trace it out to meet with my bust measurement, and then I'll cut it out. So guys, this is the front part of the panel now. So I'll be using princess dart for this, and because it's just an English way, I won't be cutting out anything. So I'll just trace it out with chalk. Before doing that, from the down part of the dart I notched the other time, I'll go up by 6.5, then I'll mark that out, then I'll rule it from that place downwards. Then I'll take my pattern master again. I'll connect it with my French curve down to that point I did, just like the way you can see me doing in this video. So now notching this point here, just like 5 to 6 inches down from your shoulder line. So that's where I connected the princess dart. So now I'll take this away, and this is the back panel now. From this side I'll be going down by 8 to 9 inches from the shoulder, and from the shoulder I'll go down by 9 inches. So that is the chest line. So from there I'll be taking my darts from that other side. Now I'll be cutting out the pockets, and this is 4 picks already for both sides. So this is 11 inches by 9 inches in size. So I'll place my hand like so. This is a different pocket compared to the ones I've been making. Just as you can see me doing in this video, I'll give it the shape I want it to be, and so it looks very unique on the English dress I'm making. So this is it. I'm just trying to make sure the shape is accurate to what I am making. So this is it. I'll place my hand like so. So I will directly be cutting it out just the way you can see me doing in this video. So here is it. You can see how shapy that looks. So, and when you're cutting, make sure one side is lower than the other side so you know where to place on the down part. So this is where I'm going to be stitching into our fabric. So that will be all for the pockets. So guys, here is what I'll be using for the flay part, and which is to go round the armhole area from the shoulder to the waistline, as you can see in that style. So taking 5 inches round it, as you can see I already chopped out 4.5 inches, but I will be taking 5 inches for this side, so that I'll get what I want to get, so that it can go round it. So from there I'll take 7 inches again, round it, as you can see the way I'm doing it. So I'll take the 7 inches round like so. So then I'll connect it now with the shock, and after connecting it I'll take my scissors and I'll cut it out. So this is how easy you can, you can cut out your flounce. So the flounce will be going around the shoulder, from the shoulder, from the back waistline, passing through the shoulder to the other side of the front waistline. So this is it. I will then flip it out like so. As you can see how it's looking flouncy already. So this is how you can do it. Then I'll try and measure it again to see if it can go round before giving it the shape on that picture. I'll take my scissors now. I'll cut this into 2 before outlining it with my chalk. So just watch closely the way I'm doing in this video. So I'll take my chalk and give it a bit of slant. So this is really not what I want, so I'll give it another curve from the middle part of the flounce. So I'll cut this out now, so it gives the actual design I want. So this is it. You can see how flouncy it looks. So what I will do next is stitch it, and then I'm good to go. Lastly, I'll be cutting out the belt. This is the belt, 9 inches on fold, which is 4.5 inches. Then I'll cut it out, and after cutting it out, that will be all for this tutorial, guys. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so and turn your notification bell on. Like, comment below where you're watching this video from, and share this video to who you know needs to see it. So guys, I'm wishing you again a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I've not been posting lately due to requests, orders from different places, just to meet up with the festive period. And again, thank you once more for always tuning in to my channel, guys. Until I see you again in the next one. Bye. Stay blessed.